Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how you can auto search for your local channel setup with your Sony Vega. Okay, first of all you just need to make change your TV to the light TV first by pressing this button on your remote control. And when your TV is become like this, now just press the Vega get on your remote control and you will see some setting pop up on the TV screen. And now you just go to the setting and go to this search menu. It's called channel setup. Select on it and now you will see the word auto program and you just select to auto program and confirm yes. And now your TV is trying to auto search your local channel and you just wait for the TV to finish and you can enjoy your local channel. But please make sure that you already connect the TV antenna to your TV connection. Okay, now your TV program is already finished and you just press confirm. And here we can see all the program number 1, 2, 3, 4. Also we can label for each program, for example number 2 and select. Now we can set the ABC button by just press upper and down. So this one and we select C and then just press the right button and later we can adjust one by one. C. Okay, for example we make it C or 7 or something and then just confirm. And we can do it to label every channel that we want to set up. And to in the manual you just press the Vega get on your remote control once more time and now you can see your local channel is getting on your TV and we can adjust the program. And it's number 2 here we can see the word C also went on here if you see by your eyes. The camera cannot capture the blue text on the screen. And that is all for today's video of how you can set up your local channel on your Sony Vega. And thank you everyone for your time watching this short video and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.